Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make an origami. Origami is the art of paper folding and it is used to create objects out of paper. I'm gonna show you how to make this Origami Fox bookmark. It is super easy and all you need is a post-it note and a pen. First, you need to take one post-it note and then you take the top side and fold it down about 1/3. After that, fold it back in half like this and unfold. And now using this vertical line, we are going to take this side of the paper and fold it diagonally, aligning to the vertical center line and also the top right corner right here. And do the same thing on the other side. Now we are going to take the right side and fold it back and create a point like a triangle here for the ears. Do the same thing on the other side. And now you just need to draw his face. And it is ready to be used as a bookmark, like this. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you.